Dramatic footage has been released which shows the moment an Australian teenager is rescued from fast-moving floodwaters. In the video, the 14-year-old can be seen clinging onto a tree near the town of Rockhampton on Friday, before a rescue worker persuades him to let go and the pair are washed to safety. It comes amid reports of around 20 other swiftwater rescues in central Queensland overnight, after heavy rainfall from ex-tropical cyclone Oswald caused flooding in many areas. According to reports, some major highways and more than 70 roads have been cut off across the state, with residents warned to stay off them as the deluge continues.